This is a synthetic wig. It's this. It comes like this. It's synthetic, and it's got this sleek look, which is great. I love a great sleek wig. But what if sometimes you want to have beach waves? What if you've been eyeing that wig that has beach waves in it, and you just thought, well, I wish I already have this wig. Guess what? Now you're going to be able to take all the wigs that you have, and yes, make them straight, curly, straight, curly. And what if you bought a wig and you're like, oh no, I wish I would have gotten a straight one. You can sleek it. Oh, I wish I would have gotten the curly wig, and now you can curl it. So look at that. This is the beach waves. So from straight to beachy, surfs up. And now I'm going to show you just how I did that with this heat styling tool, 3-in-1 from Envy. And just like that, no melting, no problem. You can go back and forth, curl it, straighten it with this tool. Let me show you how. This is a synthetic wig, and we're going to put heat tools on it because I want this wig. It has just these nice kind of curled pattern. It's low density. I'm going to put some beach waves in this. So let's try it out and see what we're going to do. I'm going to apply some of the Beauty Mart Flex Hold to a section, and then on high heat, on low air, we're going to do 10 seconds for heat, and then we're going to do 2 seconds with the cold shot. So let's try this out. So I'm going to apply some of this Beauty Mart Flex Hold, a couple of pumps of that. Let's put this on high heat, low air, and then we're just going to wrap it and switch hands, and we're just going to wrap it around, leaving about 1 inch. So what I'm going to do, since this is up in the hair, is just curl this in a little bit more. All right, let's keep going through the rest of the wig. So 10 seconds heat, 10 seconds cool shot. So look at that. Look at these. It really didn't take that long. 10 seconds heat, 10 seconds cool. And look at these waves. So from the sleek straight, and now just finger comb it. Don't, beach waves. You just kind of run your fingers through it, right? To give it, to loosen up that curl. So let's loosen it up some. And I tried it with the Beauty Mark and without. So one's going to have a little bit more staying power probably, but you're baking this in. So this shouldn't, it might loosen up some, but it's not going to become super straight. It's not like real hair, bio hair, it's going to hold it. And so we just want to curl through. Here's some big curls here. Let me get my fingers in there. I'm just going to separate it some. And here, I might just separate it like that. That's another way to do it, is just take the curl and separate. Just pull it apart as though it's been finger combed. And look at this. Ah, I'm so thrilled. I'm really so excited that I can take any wig and put in a beach style, a sleek. And if I want to, I can take this right back to its sleek look by simply using the smoother and smoothing it out. So look at that for our beach look, our beach waves. So from sleek to beach. Surf's up, everybody. Look at that. From sleek to surf's up. Super easy, didn't take long. It's gonna stay. Look at that. This is awesome. This is the Envy 3-in-1, and this style I just showed you was putting in the surf's up look.